3 weeks and I'm really happy about it. So I should say that the last trip was pretty emotional for me, had a lot of ups and downs. It was like a roller coaster, so I'm happy to be back. And yeah, but here it is, how it all went. Good morning everyone! We are back here in Park City and we're here for the World Champs, and today we have a Ave Air competition. So we had practice yesterday and the jump is really good, it's really mellow and it's actually pretty small comparing to the X Games Ave Air. But the jump is nice, but the only problem is that it's pretty hard to get enough speed. Few riders struggled yesterday with the speed, but I think for me it's the hardest to get enough speed because I'm so light. But yeah, yesterday I did only like few switch 5s and took the knuckle all the time, so that sucks. But yeah, we'll see how the speed is today. Like if I can't get enough speed, then probably I can't compete. But if it's fine, then I'll try and I'll do my best. But yeah, like I think today we have a little wind and headwind, so that's pretty bad. But yeah, now a little throwback, and this footage is from the first time when we were here in Park City, and I was 9 years old then, so enjoy! So right now I did my first practice run today and the in-run is pretty icy, but like I still was pretty slow, like I landed like on the knuckle. But yeah, I don't know, I'll try a few more times and we'll see how it goes.
Much further up the hill, they're going to start up there, we're going to open up the fence.
I'm not looking up.
You want us to set up?
No, they're very funny about that. Yeah, okay. What's your last view?
Big one.
Difficulty.
So unfortunately I didn't compete today because I didn't get enough speed, and today I started even higher than yesterday. But yeah, did switch 5s to knuckles, so it's a bummer, but like the weather was good, pretty much no wind, bluebird, or like, I mean it's not bluebird anymore, but it was better. It wasn't that cloudy, it didn't snow or anything. And tomorrow we have slopestyle practice, and I'm also a bit nervous about that because you're saying that it can be slow as well, and also snowstorms coming in, so we'll see how it goes. But tonight I'll definitely come and watch the other ski, so yep, see ya! Before Olympics I tore my ACL and I was pretty pumped because I knew that I'm gonna miss Olympics, and I was pretty young when I knew that I really want to go there. But I was trying to think really positive, and I know that after 4 years that's the next one, and I'm trying to go there, so yeah, but I'm happy that I can ski again and I'm enjoying it. We haven't had much time to vlog because the weather has been bad, and like I did the slope race and then went to the half pipe, so we carried the skis and we couldn't film at the same time. And right now I am going to physio because my legs are pretty tired. And yeah, the muscles are pretty tight, and the physio thinks that like it's from X Games because like I skied so much there and my body is not used to it. But yeah, let's go and see how it goes. I mean, I felt it, my heel a little, but it was really good.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Cool.
I don't know, just like at some point I felt it a little bit, but
Yeah. Better than 3 days ago?
oh yeah, much better.
Cool. And then can you hold your foot there? That's it. Hold, hold, hold. No pain?
No.
Good. And then push against me. No pain?
No.
Good. You ready, Kelly?
Yeah.
Disappointed that didn't lead to more.
Okay.
Get the far post for a cross. Oh, he can't get the cross on that without actually scoring. Oh, unlucky. You can't believe he's missed from so close in too.
How's that one?
Yeah, fine.
Feels okay?
Thanks, see ya. Have a good one. I hate needles so bad, but I did it. I was pretty brave, so I'm proud of myself. But now, let's get ready for the slope qualies. So, we should have had the qualies yesterday and finals today, but it was snowing yesterday, so it got postponed. And today morning, boys should have started the training like at 8, but it started like at 11 or a bit later because it was still a bit slow because it snowed overnight. And now men are doing their competition, but it seems that it's really slow and we're not sure how it's gonna go for girls. Are we gonna do the competition today or not, or what's gonna happen? So let's wait and see. Stickers. And lenses. So yeah, I just got a package from Roxy, so thank you so much, I love these. So we just had team captain's meeting, and unfortunately there won't be world champs in slopestyle for women, and I'm pretty sad about it. But yeah, there are a few teams that they need to leave tomorrow, and FIS said that it would be unfair for them. But like, yeah, it is how it is, and we really can't change it, but just, I'm pretty disappointed in FIS because like, I couldn't compete in big air because the course was so slow and I didn't have enough speed, and now slopestyle, like, yeah. And like, yeah, they don't even have a weather day, so how you can do a competition without a weather day, I just don't get it. But yeah, as I said, we can't change it, and I have half my qualifications tomorrow, so I'm pretty excited about that and trying to keep that positive vibe. But yeah, so I'll see you tomorrow. We hope to share my comp run with you guys, so we tried to get the rights for the final run, and that's why it took so long to upload the vlog. And unfortunately we can't show my comp run here in this vlog, so that sucks. But the link will be in the description, so after you have finished the vlog, then you can go and check it out, and I think you really should, because it's a pretty nice run, I think. But yeah, so watch the vlog till the end, and then go and check out my run. Thanks. It was Estonian Prime Minister.
And your 2019 FIS World Champ for Women's Ski Pipe coming out of Estonia, Kelly Sildaru. Tell us about that gold medal run.
I mean, I was pretty nervous before that because I was staying on the third place, and I wasn't sure if I should try to do my Swiss 10 or not, because maybe if I'm not gonna land it, then I can't improve my score. And yeah, I thought that maybe I should do the same run, just better. But I was like, why not try the Swiss 10? And I did. Thank you, friends, family, and my fans that you came to the airport and surprised me. It was really cool and also super sweet. I loved it. And after that, I got so many flowers from all of you. Thank you so much. It was great times. But yeah, I think now we can end this vlog. So if you like this video, put a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and